The mayor of a town in Middlesex County says his government is still trying to secure enough salt for the upcoming storm. And he says he's not alone.
Every town in the state of New Jersey and the county governments are out of salt. So hits, we have just a little bit left. And it's not for lack of trying to get it. We haven't received a salt shipment in 3 weeks. Comes down from upstate New York via the Hudson and then goes to the port. And we can't send our trucks up to the port because we don't have security clearance.
Well, that was Piscataway Mayor Brian Waller at a town council meeting yesterday. He says only private contractors have access to the salt shipments at ports, and he does hope to secure enough salt in time for this weekend's storm. He says no matter what, crews will be able to treat the roadways with brine.